guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Yes, I am getting some donuts from Krispy Kreme. I was debating on which kinds to get. They have some new flavors coming out for the Christmas season. It's been a while since we last visited Ikea, so we actually found some hidden gems and interesting items for our home decor. I'll show you guys later. I love Christmas trees. And lunch is served. We got some Swedish meatballs with mashed potatoes, some salmon steak, and ribs for sure. And my dad's favorite thing is beer, as you guys already know. Here are the donuts I got. They are mainly original glazed flavor with sprinkles. The one with the white chocolate and almonds on top is divine. They all taste like heaven. And this sour cream onion chip is not potato chips, so it's a bit disappointing for the price point. I don't think it was worth the money. These dried flower petals smell so good. The apricots one smells really good, and then I don't know if they're real petals. I've been waiting for this moment for days. I wanted to unpack this Christmas tree because I wanted to challenge myself for building up this Christmas tree from scratch. And yeah, my dog is there to help me. Spiritually, he's not really helping. I spent some time trying to figure out how to get things started, but I swear to God it's not that hard. I made it look hard, I know.
Rushes through, but I still have one wish to make, a special one for you.
After a short coffee break, I am putting up the lights. I look pretty clumsy, I know, but I think I did okay. Once the lights are up, my Christmas tree looks like a Christmas tree. You guys are gonna be the judge of it and tell me if you like it.
Happy New Year to you. I just want to wish
thank you guys for watching this video, and here is my Christmas tree. I hope you guys like it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. It's Christmas season, 'tis the season to be jolly. Me and my dog wish all of you guys are having a great time wherever you are. See ya!